Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your mobile plan allows tethering and you have enough data. Now open Settings and go directly to Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Once there, toggle it on. Set a clear SSID and a strong password so others can't leech your connection. Also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if your phone uses them for device discovery. These steps get the hotspot broadcasting. Next, you'll connect clients and adjust performance settings to control data use. Once the hotspot is active, you connect client devices. On each laptop or tablet, choose the SSID you created and enter the password you set. Make sure to pick the optimal band, switch to 5 GHz for better speed or 4 GHz if you need longer range. Next, open hotspot options to limit the number of connections and enable data saver or a data cap. This prevents a single device from consuming your plan. If needed, enable Bluetooth tethering for low-power devices. These actions manage performance and cost while sharing. To finish, test the connection on a client by loading a web page and running a quick speed test to confirm throughput. If the device fails to connect, restart both the phone and the client, recheck the SSID and password, and make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi band. Once done, adjust power or sleep settings to keep the hotspot active. If problems persist, update your phone's carrier settings or OS. Then contact your carrier to verify tethering isn't blocked or limited on your plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.